Lesson 21: Mastering Blog Maintenance and Security. Welcome back to the ultimate blogging course. We hope you're enjoying the journey so far and have gained valuable insights into building and growing your blog. Lesson 21 is a crucial topic that can make or break your blogging success: blog maintenance and security. In this lesson, we'll guide you through the essential steps to ensure the regular upkeep and protection of your blog. Remember, a well-maintained and secure blog not only boosts your readers' confidence but also protects your hard work and effort from potential disasters. So, let's dive in and explore how to keep your blog safe and running smoothly. 1. Regular updates and backups. Regularly updating your blogging platform, themes, and plugins is crucial for maintaining the security and optimal performance of your blog. Developers frequently release updates to address vulnerabilities and improve functionalities. Staying up to date with these updates significantly reduces the chances of falling victim to cyberattacks or encountering technical issues. Furthermore, it is essential to establish a routine for creating backups of your blog's content and settings. Backups serve as a safety measure in case of any mishaps, allowing you to swiftly restore your blog to a previously stable state. By adhering to these practices, you can safeguard your blog and ensure a seamless and secure experience for both yourself and your readers. 2. Secure login credentials. Your blog's access hinges on the security of your login credentials. Safeguard them by adopting two crucial measures. Firstly, employ strong and distinctive passwords. Refrain from using easily guessable ones, and instead, create unique combinations of letters, numbers, and symbols. Secondly, consider implementing two-factor authentication, 2FA. This powerful safeguard adds an extra layer of protection by demanding an additional verification step. When you log in, a code will be sent to your phone, ensuring only you can access your account. Be cautious not to use default admin usernames, as these are predictable and susceptible to hacking attempts. Also, it is essential to keep your login information private and never disclose it to others, as unauthorized access could jeopardize the security of your blog and the sensitive information within. By adhering to these best practices, you can bolster the defense of your blog against potential threats and maintain a secure digital kingdom. 3. SSL Certificate Installation. SSL Certificate Installation is a vital step to safeguard sensitive data exchanged between your blog and visitors. This certificate encrypts the information, providing an essential layer of security. Not only does it enhance trustworthiness with readers, but it also contributes to better search engine rankings. Fortunately, numerous hosting providers offer free SSL certificates, making it accessible for all bloggers to avail themselves of this valuable security feature. Incorporating an SSL certificate is a proactive measure to protect your blog's integrity and reputation. By encrypting data, it prevents unauthorized access and potential cyberattacks, creating a safe browsing environment for your audience. Moreover, search engines like Google consider SSL encryption a ranking factor, meaning blogs with SSL certificates tend to rank higher in search results. To take advantage of this added security, reach out to your hosting provider, who will typically guide you through the simple installation process. With minimal effort, you can ensure a secure connection for your readers and reap the benefits of improved credibility and search engine visibility. 4. Regular security scans. Regular security scans are essential for safeguarding your blog against potential vulnerabilities and cyber threats. By employing various plugins and online tools, you can easily perform these scans. The primary purpose of these scans is to detect any weak points in your blog's security, enabling you to take proactive measures in addressing them. Through these scans, you can identify areas that may be susceptible to attacks, such as outdated software, weak passwords, or unsecured plugins. Addressing these issues promptly will bolster your blog's security and reduce the risk of data breaches or unauthorized access. By making security scanning a routine practice, you create a proactive approach to protect your blog and its visitors' sensitive information. This way, you can stay one step ahead of potential threats, preventing significant security incidents that could negatively impact your blog's reputation and trustworthiness. Remember that the online landscape is constantly evolving, so regular security scans are essential to ensure your blog remains resilient against ever-changing cyber threats. Take the necessary steps today to fortify your blog's defenses and maintain a safe digital environment for both yourself and your audience. 5. Protect against comment spam. Protecting against comment spam is crucial to maintaining a positive user experience and safeguarding the quality of your blog's content. While blog comments can foster audience engagement, they may also attract a flood of unwanted spam. To counter this issue, consider installing a dependable anti-spam plugin. This effective measure acts as a shield, filtering out irrelevant and malicious comments before they tarnish your platform. By doing so, you not only improve the overall user experience, fostering genuine interactions with your readers, but you also preserve the credibility and integrity of your blog's content. As a result, your audience can confidently participate in meaningful discussions without being bombarded with irrelevant or harmful material. Stay proactive in combating comment spam to ensure your blog remains a valuable and reputable space for meaningful exchanges and community building. 6. Monitor website traffic. Monitoring website traffic is essential for safeguarding your blog against potential threats. By vigilantly observing traffic patterns, you can identify and respond promptly to any irregularities that may signal an impending attack. Unusual surges in traffic or visits from unfamiliar locations are red flags that necessitate immediate attention. Regularly monitoring website traffic empowers you to take swift action when dealing with suspicious activities. By doing so, you can mitigate the risk of cyber attacks and protect your blog's integrity and user data. Additionally, consistent traffic analysis enables you to make informed decisions regarding content and marketing strategies, optimizing your blog's performance and enhancing user experience. Stay vigilant and use analytics tools to track key metrics, such as page views, referral sources, and user engagement. Proactively detecting and addressing any security concerns will enhance the overall resilience of your website, ensuring a safer online environment for your visitors. Remember, constant monitoring is a crucial aspect of maintaining a robust and secure digital presence. Final thoughts. Congratulations! You've now reached the end of Lesson 21, where we covered the essential aspects of blog maintenance and security. Remember, a well-maintained and secure blog forms the foundation for your blogging success. By following the steps outlined in this lesson, you can protect your hard work, enhance your readers' experience, and keep your blog running smoothly. As you move forward in your blogging journey, don't forget the upcoming Lesson 22, Scaling and Diversifying Your Blogging Business. In this final lesson, we'll explore various opportunities to expand your blog and diversify your income streams. You'll learn how to create a long-term growth strategy that will take your blogging business to new heights. By completing this comprehensive 22-lesson course, you'll have a deep understanding of how to make money blogging. Each lesson has built upon the previous one, providing you with a step-by-step roadmap to success. So, be sure to watch all the lessons to gain a complete understanding of the blogging business. Thank you for joining us in this transformative blogging journey, and we look forward to seeing you in Lesson 22. Happy blogging!
It's about the journey.